From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a cool one out there today. It was kind of a weird day, a mixture of clouds and high clouds and sun. There was some virga and some shower activity with a weak disturbance that's moving through our part of the world. But the big action, northeast and the west once again. So let's get to the chroma key wall. We'll talk about it. For the first time all winter long, the biggest snowstorm in the northeast underway, where upwards of 2 to almost 3 feet of snow have fallen in the higher elevations of interior portions of New England. Airport delays from New York up through Boston. Hopefully you didn't have any flight plans up that way because just about everything has been canceled. Winter storm warnings for much of New York. Winter weather advisories as you get closer to the city. Bottom line, most of the big precip off into the interior areas, and this is a nor'easter producing high winds as well. Then you get on the other side of the country, it's the same story, just a different day. More severe weather across portions of California, high wind warnings, and of course winter storm warnings at elevation, and flood watches and warnings for almost all of California, except once you get into the Antelope Valley right here in the Mojave Desert, and then even as you get farther into the desert, but by elevation, Sedona on northward, north of Phoenix, flood watches and warnings there, and you can see the winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings into the Rockies as well. So this is going to be our next weather maker, and that brings a front here as we head into Thursday night, Friday morning, and it should be quite active. So you can see there's a little bit of an upper level disturbance pushing on through, producing some light precip, mostly light precip across the area. Most of what you see in green as we switch it over to power Doppler 3, not reaching the ground, but where you have those enhancements where it's a little bit darker shade of green or some yellow, that's where we're seeing the actual precip. And this is a 6-hour loop of what we saw during the course of the afternoon. This is what we have ongoing right now. Most of the shower activity, coastal parishes, but we are seeing shower activity across northern Lafayette Parish into southern portions of St. Landry Parish into St. Martin Parish. A little bit of a shower just about near the airport, and then we go into the coastal areas. Some patchy light rain pretty much along Highway 14 on southward. This is going to move out quickly tonight, and we'll clear out later on tonight, setting the stage for a chilly one tomorrow morning. Now, as we move into Thursday, here comes our next weather maker, and the Storm Prediction Center has a large swath of a slight risk of severe storms, and this goes Thursday night to Friday morning at 7 a.m. So you can see Acadiana is hatched in for a marginal risk of severe storms. Northwestern Vernon Parish in that slight risk area, but this risk area will change shape, size, and perhaps intensity as we get into tomorrow and certainly Thursday, so we'll have a better feel for what's going to transpire. But in the near term, you see that disturbance moving on out, nice and cool tomorrow morning, low to mid 40s, then a nice warm up tomorrow afternoon. Best day of the week for sure. Lower 70s the high, comfortable humidity, winds turning around out of the south and getting a little breezy as we head toward Thursday morning, so we'll be in the 50s, and then we get into Thursday afternoon, upper 70s to lower 80s, winds gusting probably into the 30-mile-per-hour range, and here come the showers and storms developing along a frontal boundary that's going to be pushing on through as we head into early Friday morning. Some of these storms potentially could be severe, damaging winds could be the main threat, and probably a pretty good soaking as well with that front as it pushes on through. Here's the Euro model showing the rain that we get on Friday, 2 to 3 back toward Texas. So it looks like 1 to 2 across our part of the world, and we'll cross-check that with the GFS model, and the GFS going for about 1 to 2. So that's what we're going to go with. I don't think we're going to have a flood issue because things will be moving along after that, a chilly weekend. Chilly tonight, upper 30s to lower 40s, northern portions of Acadiana above the frost zone, but as cold as it gets this time of year, just about. Low to mid 40s I-10 corridor, and will favor low to mid 40s across the coastal parishes. And then tomorrow, nice warm up after that chilly start. We'll see readings getting into the lower 70s. Tomorrow night we hold in the 50s, and as mentioned, Thursday upper 70s to lower 80s. So overnight tonight we'll see temperatures dropping down to 44. Those skies gradually clear out as the night wears on, probably after about 1 or 2 in the morning, and that's pretty much what the model is going with through daybreak tomorrow. And then for tomorrow during the day, a beauty of a day, best day of the week, 71 the high. It's going to feel like spring, and this is normally what we expect this time of year for sure. Moving into the 10-day forecast, rain chances 90% early Friday, 1 to 2. chilly weekend. Highs only in the 50s, lows lower 40s for Lafayette, but that means upper 30s northern portions of Acadiana. But then another warm up and then another front as we head toward the end of next week. Very changeable March pattern for sure.
All right, thanks, Rob.